Alright everybody, welcome back to the Cribb Fam YouTube channel. Thank you to everybody that's already subscribed and liked. We really do appreciate it. It's Father's Day today. We're out here at the Little Big Econ down here in Florida. Gonna walk the bank, see if we can't catch some good sized brim, take home and fry them up. Hope you guys enjoy the video today.
And happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there.
Tell them again, Kens.
Happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there.
Alright, we're ready. I'm gonna get you all set up on the chest piece so y'all can see everything in POV. Point of view. This thing never wants to go in there.
There's a lot of people out here.
Yeah, there is.
I didn't know it gets like that. I mean, I guess every time that I ever came out here, there wasn't really that many people.
How many times have you came out here? Good question.
5. People just keep starting that way.
Alright, guys.
Are you ready? Yes, you can.
Seen a big ass fish over there.
That's a big fucking alligator. It looks like you got a bite on the tail.
Something else eating?
I don't know.
Kenzie, he's weighing on you. I don't know why you stopped.
Go sit in the truck.
Good God.
I'm reeling the fish.
I would.
Man, we should have brought some little chairs though too.
There you go. You got one, Tom?
What we got, baby? Get us on camera.
Oh, you got it? I don't know how to direct this thing.
Oh, that's a good looking
We
red.
need red.
Oh my God, that's pretty. Baby, I don't know if this is like up or down. Like,
What's up,
I
guys?
don't know how it,
Oh man, that is awesome.
I don't know where it's
Look at
at.
Like brown thing.
Hell yeah. It's alright. It's showing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I feel like it's looking down.
Oh.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he's right there though. He's gone.
I want to keep them birds.
Yeah, I do too.
Well, he just lost one.
Sorry.
Sorry, I put the blame on you. No.
Sure?
Yeah.
That spot right here either, huh? Straight drop off? Oh yeah. We used to fish that other side. Remember?
That's what I'd like to get to, but
I like this spot.
we're going down.
Shit, I'm gonna sit right here. I got me a good cooler sitting spot.
Right now?
Hell yeah. I got all the way around this tree. I'm gonna catch me some fucking fish. Whew. All right, guys. Next spot. See what we can get.
Leaning.
Woo!
Worm. Baby, look, there's gonna be places like that where we're gonna be able to get down there and get wet.
floating.
Yeah.
I'm fishing.
Me too.
I'm ready. Shayla's trying to hook people.
I was just about to warn you, but you warn yourself. I should have brought a clip for these little baby hairs. I feel them getting soaked with my sweat and they're sticking in me.
Grab this.
Okay, baby.
Look at that cosmos.
Trying to get the hair off the back of my neck.
Yeah.
You don't know what it feels like to have hair.
That long tree.
Huh?
Should be, they bite. Through the body 7 times.
Oh, are you literally kidding me?
Really? That's so weird in my hand.
I was like, I see the circle part. I'm like, that's a big ass mouth.
I got it. You got it?
Why is it not freaking going? Oh my god. Not doing good over here, guys.
Got it? You good?
Alright, let's try this for the third time.
Push the button.
You can get down there closer to the water, babe. There's a step right there.
We're gonna get down there where it's close.
I'm going in the water.
I love them fuckers. They're good eating.
See, it's like not going. Oh, why is that water bubbling right there?
Something.
What?
Oh, fuck.
I thought it was just like.
Throw him back, right? He's too small.
Yep.
There we go.
Good throw. All right, I'm about to come grab it. Damn. It's right by this tree. Got another one. Yep. They're in here thick. It's in the sun.
I wouldn't have that hungry. Take me back to young. what log you're in.
I got hooked so many times in everything I had to like figure it out. Pull up this tire log and I was like, alright, I gotta break the line. And then I had to break so we pulled up the whole thing.
Hey, I need my bucket.
Yeah, sounds like you got a personal problem over there. Yep.
You gotta kill him though.
And
Just
Dave,
a little bit. Just a little bit.
What?
you're in the right
No
spot.
personal problem.
This is nice. Yeah. I like wading through. Keeps you cool. Are those your worms?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you do a handstand, please?
And once I catch my first fish, I'll do one for you. But I haven't caught a fish yet.
And I ain't trying to catch one right now. You want me to? Sweetie, I don't know if you want to like this one.
We going down a little bit more?
Yep, keep out. So we can wade back and forth. I'll grab what I can.
I feel like a mountain goat. I feel like a mountain goat.
Yeah, I don't know where he went.
That's what Justin always said.
Some catfish right here in this little hole. Yep. Yeah, I just hide. Yeah, jump up. Yep. Yeah, should have let it eat it a little bit more. Hide him. Got a pounder. Oh, there he was again. I got my, yeah. Hey, took on it that time. Yeah, I see this log right here that goes straight out. They're hiding right up underneath it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. As soon as I floated that way, he took it.
That's it.
Right there is where he started hitting it.
Something out there.
Come over here, baby. Look it. I'm getting a bite right now. Look, I got a fish. You want to reel it in? Look at that. Yeah, give me 1 second. Let him get a hold of it. Maybe I don't. Just gotta watch him while it goes under. We got one. Got a fish?
Yeah.
What?
Get him in.
Mom, but he got it. No,
Damn. Oh, get him in, baby.
Come on, let's go.
Damn it, baby. Get him on the bank. Oh, yeah. Nope, don't grab him by there. Get him up there before you do that. There you go.
I think it sounds like a catfish.
I need you to hold him up for me. Gotta grab him just like this.
Negative illustrator.
Here,
Negative
grab him just like this.
I held a catfish.
I've never held a fucking catfish.
Look how easy that is.
I held.
I know, but I don't want to get poked.
I got you. Just grab him just like that. Put 2 fingers around that side and that one right there.
I've never held a catfish.
Woo! Shit, hold him up. Damn good, baby.
I held one before.
I've never held a catfish. Do you think that's freaking crazy? Sorry, he was wiggling. Scared the Oh, that scared the fuck out of me. Kenzie, come over here real quick so she can be. His like belly is like weird. Oh, something like. Can you post that? Oh, man, I got it.
Good job, baby. Hell yeah. Got it on video too.
What? Wait, I'm so sorry. Alright, that was a good
We're letting him go, right?
I've had a catfish. No, I can't say
Can you
that.
take his hook out?
No, I can say I've officially held a big catfish.
And you know how to do it too, huh?
Yeah. It just always scares me, because that fucking scares me.
Another shitty kitty?
Hey, you guys should take a picture together. Alright, so I won't take the hook
Oh,
out.
there you go, Kens.
Good job, Ken.
Hell yeah.
You gotta
Grab it the same way Pootie did, right from the stomach.
It's okay, this is my first time. We'll do it together. No, you've held a catfish before.
I know, but I forgot.
Right up under there.
Like that?
Just don't touch it, pointers.
Grab him, Kens.
Mine's
With your
wiggling a
strong finger,
lot.
right? Here. Right
You're
up
badass.
under. I'll slide it all the way.
This is my first time and I've been fishing for catfish a long
Here,
time.
y'all two get a good. Here, where's the pole at?
Oh, you're right.
We're behind you.
That hurts so bad.
Wait a minute, baby.
Did it get you?
Let's see, you bleeding?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's okay. You're all right. You'd be crying if he got you.
Yeah.
Trust me. He stings. He stings
I'm
like a
scared.
bee.
Look, what you gotta do is hold pressure and hold them up.
Yeah,
See what I
look,
mean?
look, I'm gonna show you what can hurt you.
Okay.
This thing
Right
right here, the thing Uncle Ryan's touching, and the one on his back. So if you grab him
So
right
what
under,
other can,
watch Uncle Ryan. Look,
Can his whiskers
grab him
hold
just
him?
like that, and he'll never hurt you.
Yep.
His whiskers can hurt me?
No,
You
whisker,
said
no.
something on his
Okay,
side.
I'm gonna
This
show
can
you.
hurt you. See that
I'll show you.
thorn right there?
Yeah.
That gets
I
you.
want a pig.
That one gets you,
I
and
gotta
this
put
one
you on
gets
the
you.
board.
Oh.
There's 3 of them that'll fuck you up.
Do they grunt it? Because he's
Yeah.
grunting. The bragging board.
Hold him, Kens. I need to get a picture for YouTube. Come on. Don't let the. You gotta show the little girls how to do it.
Do it for the grip. Do it for the grip.
Hold his tail too if it helps.
Come on.
Be more steady.
Grab him, Kens. You got. Look, you're on camera. Don't be a little
Unless you
girl.
wanna do it like that.
He'll bite your finger off.
Wait,
Oh,
will he bite
it's
me?
kind of cute. He's
No.
grunting.
You gotta hold it hard.
You hear him?
Just like that.
Let me hold it one of your hands. I'm gonna help you. Which hand you want? I'll grab him with this one. I'm gonna help you. Let your hand loose.
Sorry, buddy.
Let your hand loose. Let your hand loose. Let it loose.
Here, hold him in his
Look.
lip then. Grab his
Look
lip
at
hard.
look at Joshy.
Kenzie, you just held
Look.
him. You're fine.
Literally, put 2 fingers out like that. Go like that.
Just imagine the one that
Go like
this
that.
one. You want to hold this one?
Yep, just like that. Go. I got him.
Kenzie,
Look,
come on. I
got-
want a picture.
I got him. Hold your hand
Kenzie.
out. Look,
Rain.
just like that. Yep.
You are
I got
literally
you.
on video right
I'm
now.
helping you. Squeeze. There you go. You got him. Now hold him tight.
Hold it. Take a
Woo woo. Woo woo.
picture. All right, you're good.
All right.
All right, my face about to die.
Nope.
Where's your fish at? Let's see.
This is pretty like in there.
I just let it drift right there and picked it right up.
Your little whiskers are so cute.
Just snap
Where's
me,
your leader, baby?
bro.
Look.
Can you take my pole? Ow.
Good job, baby.
It's under there, not pulling it.
I'm ready to be buddy.
Watch your feet.
Ew, he's like slimy on me.
Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Right back to his hole.
God, my fingers hurt. You're gonna delete that.
Got the booty for y'all. That'll be the thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
I probably wasn't looking so hard.
Catching butt shots.
Let's not do that.
Here, Can you grab that for me?
No, that's not funny.
I thought it was funny.
No.
Grab mine too on your way back, please.